Assalamualaikum students, my name is Kinza Shokat. I'm lecturer at Kent Public High School and Boys College, Wahdat Colony, Texla. Students, today we will cover Try Again poem. We will look at some stanzas and their explanations and main theme and basically introduction of poet. Poem Try Again is written by writer William Edward Hickson. William Edward Hickson was born in 1803 and died in 1870. He was British educational writer and his famous works were Time and Faith, The Singing Master and Try Again. Theme of the poem is one should keep trying until or unless gain his or her goals. We should not be discouraged by failure. Failure is a good teacher, and if we stand in front of every problem, we can get success by hard work. Stanza 1 is, "'Tis a lesson you should heed, try again. If at first you should not succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again." Try again is a message that cannot be ignored. We must always pay attention to this message. If due to adverse circumstances we fail in our first effort, we should not be discouraged. Rather, we should make better efforts to reach our goals. Then we should come forward with a new spirit. We should be steadfast in our efforts without any fear. If we do so, we will be succeeded. Thus, we should not neglect the lesson, try again. Second stanza is, once or twice though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should you do in this case? Just try again. In this stanza, the poet W.E. Hickson says that we may fail in our attempts or efforts for once or for one time or two, but if we keep on struggling, we will finally win. What we need to do is to keep on working and not to get disappointed and be persistent in striving. It is not a matter of shame or disgrace to work and work. Though we have failed in our preceding efforts, we should not feel discouraged. What we need to do in such a situation is just try again and again. Third stanza is, if you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that folks can do. Why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. In this stanza, the poet says that if you feel you cannot accomplish your task in one effort, make another one with a considerable force. There will be a time when you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. What you need to do is to keep on working. You must know that if all people can do their jobs, you can also do yours. What you need to is to be persistent in making efforts. The only thing you must keep in mind is that you should never get disappointed. You just need to continue working till you succeed. Thank you.